Let's learn how to divide the number 800 by 5 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 8. We know that 5 times 1 is 5. Subtract, we get 3. Now 3 is less than 5, so we will bring down this number 0 here. Now from the multiplication table of 5, we know that 5 times 6 is 30. Subtract, we get a 0. As 0 is less than 5, so we will bring down this number 0 here. But see that this is the number 0. So we will remove 1 0. Now we know that 5 times 0 is 0. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have no number to bring down here and got the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 800 divided by 5 is equal to 160, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.